Hello everybody and welcome to today's focus on Feathercoin. Initially today we will reflect on the last 20-week cycle which ended on the 30th of June, and you can see this in the chart in front of you. I've highlighted the 20-week phase through the use of an arc, and that corresponds to the cycle points that we have in the lower end of the chart. Now, the importance of identifying this trough and having this in the back of your mind is that all of the price action that we've seen over the course of July represents the early stages of the next and current medium-term 20-week phase. From a bullish perspective, this provides an opportunity for us to look for signals that would suggest a move higher in price action. Unfortunately, though, at least initially, the month of July has been marked by a period of consolidation, and this does not provide us with any additional clarity in terms of potential for gains. However, bulls do have a clearly defined risk parameter as reflected by the low on the 30th of June, and furthermore there is also a clear resistance and a potential bull trigger on the 21st of July. Both of these levels are very important going forward. We'll see we'll see very soon the fact that the first 40-day cycle is close to completion. In the second slide, we've zoomed into the recent price action, and you can see that first and foremost, price action has been consolidated over the month of July. However, from a cycle phase, we can identify the fact that we are close to completing the first 40-day cycle. This is reflected by a completed 20-day cycle and the fact that the second of these two 20-day cycles is close to completion. Being able to identify the trough of the second 20-day cycle will therefore then similarly identify the trough of the first 40-day cycle, and will also represent the trough of the current 10-day cycle phase. This is important because the trough of the 40-day cycle will provide an opportunity for bulls to surface if indeed price action is to move higher over the near term. Therefore, the next couple of days will be critical from a cycle perspective in terms of identifying the trough of these respective cycles. With this in mind, keep a close eye on the 30th of June low, which is a key risk parameter, as well as the high on the 21st of July, which is a potential bull trigger. To summarize then, the first 40-day cycle is close to completion. The start of the next 40-day cycle will provide an opportunity, potentially an opportunity for bulls to surface. There is a clear resistance and a potential bull trigger at the 21st of July high. If this is broken, this will also represent a range breakout. Finally, just to summarize the cycle relationships between each other, the 10, the 20, and the 40-day cycle are both pointing down. However, they are close to turning in an upward direction, further highlighting the point that the 40-day cycle or the next 40-day cycle represents an opportunity for bulls to surface. Currently, the 80-day cycle is up, and the 20-day cycle is up as well. That's it for today. Good luck with your trading in Feathercoin. I'll be back in a week, and hopefully you can join me then. Bye for now.